Hey, what's up? It's Jin here. We're here at the Wondrous studio, and today we're going to work on some footwork techs and drills to get your footwork up to speed and faster and cleaner. Let's get into it. So what's up? I'm here with my student Ronald, and we're going to be doing footwork, and he's going to show the beginner side. I'm going to be more intermediate. Just try to keep up.
So the first footwork step we're going to do is called kickouts. Try to do it with one hand. Feel free to put both hands if you need a little extra support. Jumping to our heels, back to our toes, heels, and toes. Back to seated position, going right into coffee grinders. Keeping our legs straight, we're going to bring it all the way around, jump over, keeping our knees straight the whole time. Next up, we're going to go right into our reverse coffee grinder, bringing it back, jump over, and back around right to the front, and go. When doing one side, we're going to make sure that we do the opposite side to keep everything equal. So coffee grinders first, keeping that leg straight. We're trying to do our best. And reverse. And then back into our seated position. From here, we're going to go right into our hook, the first step of the sixth step, and then riding back to our unhook. Staying on our toes the whole time and trying to be upright when we come right back up. A little tip is to keep our hands to the side instead of to the back, and passing from both sides back and forth. Next up, we're going to go into hook to step back, hook, step back, step in, unhook, hook, step back, step in, unhook. 5 times, here we go. And back to seated position. From here, we're going to do hook, step back, and then push-up position. So the first 3 steps of our 6th step, and then reversing it and coming back around. Doing both sides, 5 times each, here we go. Staying strong the whole time, and back to seated. Now full 6th step on both sides, here we go. And reverse, and 5 times. Making sure that we stay clean. It's not about going fast at the moment. Making sure that each step is clear and concise. Staying on our toes. Nice. The next step we're going to do is 1 foot out. And then we're going to CC with that big flick, reverse, and switch. It's going to be a little bit fast. Stay on your toes. And then to your heel, flick, back. You can do this with 2 hands, back to seated position. Next up we're going to do is we're going to come to the back. We're going to do what I call fishtails. I'm going to step underneath my foot, keep my knee and crevice together, flick, and back. And then same thing on my other side. Feel free to do this with 1 hand or 2 hands as well. Nice. Jump back to our seated position once we're done.
The next drill we're going to do is called 5-5-5, kind of like dominoes. And we're going to choose some footwork. You're going to choose 3 different footwork steps. Make sure that you're really strong at them, or even if you're working on them, it's okay. And we're going to do each of them 5 times each, and then after that you're going to go to the next step. The goal of this is to go as fast as you can and as clean as you can. So for now we're going to do 6 step, CCs, and fishtails. So we're gonna do 5, 5, 5 as strong as we can. So I'm gonna go first and then Ronald's gonna switch with me. It's good to have a partner so that you have little breaks in between. Those moves, make sure that you do something that's circular in the front and in the back so that you can insert different positions for your footwork.
If you liked our video today, feel free to like and subscribe for more content in the near future.